First, choose any video. From the text option, press the spacebar several times. Then go to the color option, click on Label, and select your preferred color. Extend the label text all the way to the end of the video. Place this labeled text properly at the bottom of the video. After placing the full labeled text at the very end of the video, add a keyframe there, then move the label to the beginning and add another keyframe. This will create an animation effect. Now, to make the animation more attractive, go to the sticker option and choose any sticker of your choice. Just like the label, move the sticker to the beginning and end positions and add keyframes accordingly. If there's an issue where the label moves ahead of the sticker during the animation, you can add multiple keyframes slightly before the point where the problem occurs to fix it.